Okay, students, welcome back to the part 5 of the chapter called solid states. Now we are going to see how to use the type of cubic unit cell, because as I said you, cubic unit cell is in our syllabus. In part 4 I have already said you that they have 6 parameter, 3 with respect to right sides and with 3 respect to interfacial angle. All angles in cube is equal to 90 degree and all sides are equal. The volume of the cube formula is side cube, which is considered as A cube, whose CGS unit is centimeter cube and SI will be meter cube. And do remember there are 6 faces in a cube, 8 corners and 12 edges. And since there are 8 corners, each corner will share 1/8 part of the atom, and there are 6 faces, each will share half part of the atom, and there are 12 edges, one edge will share 1/4 part of the atom. I said to you in my part 4 class. Now in this part we are going to see is the type of cubic unit cell. So in our syllabus, students, there are 3 types of cubic unit cell which is in our syllabus. One is primitive cubic unit cell, also known by the name simple cubic unit cell. Another one is called face center cubic unit cell. The last one is called body center cubic unit cell. So these are the 3 types of cubic unit cell in our syllabus. So body centered cubic unit cell can be abbreviated as capital BCC. Okay, this B stands for body, C stands for centered, C stands for cubic unit cell. Body centered cubic unit cell. Similarly, face centered cubic unit cell can be abbreviated as FCC. Face centered cubic unit cell. Face centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Body centered cubic unit cell is abbreviated as BCC. Face centered is abbreviated as FCC. Such abbreviation is not there for primitive cubic unit cell or for simple cubic unit cell. Such abbreviation is not there. Still, we can abbreviate it as either PCC or SCC. Such is not mentioned in the book. This I am giving you for my own convenience. This I am giving you for my own convenience. Such is not mentioned in the book, students. So do remember, primitive cubic unit cell we abbreviate as PCC, and simple cubic unit cell means SCC. Both mean same. This is the abbreviation. If you write in exam, you are not going to get marks because such abbreviation is not given in the book. This is for our own convenience. I am doing it. Whereas for these 2 abbreviation is given in the book. So face centered is called FCC. Body centered is called BCC. But do not write small letter FCC and small letter BCC because they have different meaning. So we have to write capital FCC, capital BCC. Small FCC and small BCC has different meaning that we will see in due course of time. So these are the 3 types of cubic unit cell. Now let us understand what are these 3 all about. Suppose I am making a cube for you. You can see here. I made a cube for you. Okay. Now this is your cubic unit cell. Okay. In this cubic unit cell, if the particles are present only in the 8 corners, you can see here 1 particle, 2 particle, 3 particle, 4 particle, 5 particle, 6 particle, 7 particle and 8 particle. So if the particles are present only in the 8 corners, if the particles are present only in the 8 corners of a cubic unit cell, that is called primitive cubic unit cell. So what is primitive cubic unit cell? These are those cubic unit cell in which particles are present only in the 8 corners of a cubic unit cell. So if these are those cubic unit cell in which particles are present only in the 8 corners of a cubic unit cell. You can see here, if the particles are present only in the 8 corners of a cubic unit cell, that is called primitive cubic unit cell, or face simple cubic unit cell we call it as. Okay. Now let us see face centered cubic unit cell means what. Again I am making a cube for you. You can see here, I am making a cube for you. Now just like primitive, here also the particles are in the 8 corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5 corner, 6 corner, 7 corner, 8 corners. Particles are present in the 8 corners just like primitive cubic unit cell. Now as well as the particles will be present even in the center of 6 faces. See here how. Center of the above face is this. Center of the down face is this. Center of the right face is this. center of the left face is this, center of the back face is this, and the center of the front face is this. So center of the above face, center of the down face, center of the right, left face, center of the back, and center of the front face. So if the particles are present in the 8 corners as well as at the center of each 6 faces, then that is called face center cubic unit cell. So what is this then? These are those cubic unit cell in which particles are present, in the 8 corners and at the center of each 6 faces. So if the particles are present in the 8 corners as well as at the center of each 6 faces, then that is called face center cubic unit cell, abbreviated as FCC. So as I said you, there are 3 types of cubic unit cells. So far I have discussed is about primitive and face center. Now we will go with body center cubic unit cell. Okay. Now before I describe this, I would like to show you the picture again for this. This is for the body center. So I am making a rough cube for you. Okay. Here also, just like primitive, the particles will be in the 8 corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, 4 corner, 5 corner, 6 corner, 7 corner, and this is your 8 corner. Just like primitive. If the particles are present in the 8 corners, just like primitive. And here 1 is exactly at the center of the cube. Means at the center of the room. Consider this one particle is present at the center of the room or center of the cube. Okay. Then this is called body center. So no need to mark this definition, students. You can easily make it out from the picture. If the particles are only in the corners, we call primitive. If the particles are in the corner and in the center of each 6 faces, that is called FCC. And if the particles are in the 8 corners as well as 1 at the center of the cube, then that is called body center cubic unit cell. And do remember, each corner will share 1/8 part of with one particular cubic unit cell. Each faces will share half, as I said you earlier. There are 6 faces, each face will share half part, and there are 8 corners, each corners will share 1/8. But this one which is at the center of the room, it is wholly solely meant for this particular room only, so it is one piece. This central atom will not be shared with anyone. It is meant for this particular unit cell only. So what is body center cubic unit cell then? These are those cubic unit cell. These are those cubic unit cell in which the particles are present in the 8 corners and one at the body center. And do remember, body center means in the middle of the room. Okay. So this is all about type of cubic unit cell. So students, do remember there are 3 types of cubic unit cell. This has abbreviation as BCC, this is abbreviated as FCC, but do not write small letter, it has to be written in capital letters. Whereas primitive cubic unit, simple cubic unit, they don't have any abbreviation. But for our own convenience, we can write it as PCC and SCC. And no need to mark this definition, it's very easy. If the particles are only in the 8 corners, that is primitive or simple. If the particles is in the 8 corner as well as at the center of each 6 faces, then that is face center. And if the particle is in the 8 corner and 1 at the middle of the room or middle of the cubic unit cell, that is called body center cubic unit cell. So these are the 3 types of cubic unit cell in your syllabus, students. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this to make the note back home. So if you want, you can take the screenshot of this. Thank you very much.